If every increase in sample volume requires the same increase in headcount, your lab is not scaling. It is adding people to carry broken workflows. Hiring may increase your capacity for a while. It is more of a band-aid solution, but it doesn't remove the bottleneck. Look at what highly trained scientists and analysts actually do every day. This is a lot of grunt work. If you look at it closely, they download instrument files, rename them, copy results into spreadsheets, reconcile sample IDs, also check whether the right method was used, chase reviewers, and rebuild reports in Word or Excel. Then volume increases. So the lab hires another analyst, but that analyst enters the same fragmented, same broken process. You haven't removed the work. You have hired another person to perform it. That's not how you scale the business. Your scientists become human middleware between instrument, systems, quality, and report. So why does it matter? This creates a dangerous growth model. Costs rise with volume, training takes longer, more handoffs, create more chances for human error. Review queues grows, client reports slow down, and critical knowledge stays trapped inside a few experienced people. More headcounts can hide the problem, but it rarely fixes it. This creates a dangerous growth model. Costs rise with volume. Training takes longer. More handoffs create more chances for human error. Review queues grow, client reports slow down, and critical knowledge stays trapped inside a few experienced people. What should change to make your lab scalable? The first step is not replacing your scientists, obviously. It is removing the digital grunt work that should never have required them. Instrument data should flow into the correct workflow automatically. Sample, method, run context should remain attached. Also, calculations should be standardized. I see scientists creating spreadsheet, doing calculation manually. It doesn't make sense. It breaks the chain. Quality check should happen before the result moves forward. Exceptions should reach the right reviewer. Approved results should generate controlled reports. But people should remain in control of scientific judgment and regulated approval. That's what humans are good at. You cannot delegate this to AI, not just yet. But they shouldn't spend their day moving data between different systems. It doesn't make sense. And that's the problem we are trying to solve with Scispot Lab Operating System. Lab Operating System creates the digital brain of your lab. It connects your existing systems. You don't have to rip and replace. It connects with your instruments, robotics, samples, workflows, quality rules, reports. So work can move with less manual coordination. If you are running a scalable lab, ask your team one question. If a sample volume doubled tomorrow, what would break first? If the answer is people, spreadsheet, review queues, or reporting, you do not only have a staffing problem, you have a coordination problem. More people should help your lab do more science. They, the PhD level scientists, shouldn't be hired to move more files.